delicious sausage and spaghetti recipe. This one is perfect for a midweek lunch or dinner, and it will be ready in no time. So if you want to see how I achieve this delicious spaghetti and sausage recipe, continue watching. Here I have some cured pork sausage. You can use chicken sausage or turkey sausage. And I'm just going to remove the casing and cut these in small pieces. If it's the first time here, welcome to Nicola Yard Style Cooking. Before leaving, please subscribe and put your notification bell if you're a foodie and you're interested in what you're seeing. And to my day one returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for always coming back and checking out my videos. So continue watching and let's complete this dish, guys. So here we have cut our sausage, and I have some tri-colored bell peppers, onion and garlic. I'll cut these in chunks, and I have this leftover sauce in the fridge, garlic and caramelized onion. I'm going to use that as well. And for the season, I'm going to use some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, and complete season. But for all the season, I'm going to link all those in the description box below. And for the spaghetti, if you don't have spaghetti, you can use pasta. I'm using spaghetti for this one. So after that, my first call of action now is to put my spaghetti to cook. And we are going to allow these to cook until they are al dente. We doesn't need them to be saggy soft. So now I'm just adding salt to my pan and add my spaghetti to cook. Next, I'm going to heat up a bit of oil to sear my sausage pieces until they are brown and crispy. As I mentioned before, guys, you can use whichever sausage of your choice. This is what was left in my fridge, so I'm just using up my leftovers to complete this delicious dish. And my pasta is already cooked, my spaghetti. So I'm just going to drain this and set aside. And my sausage partially ready. So I'm just going to push this to one side and add my bell pepper mix and allow those to saute until they are still crunchy but a bit soft and my onion translucent. So let's saute this one and I'll come back in a bit. So now that my onions are translucent and my bell pepper is still a bit crispy, I'm going to add my caramelized onion and garlic sauce to this and my seasons of choice. Guys, keep in mind that the sausage is a bit salt. If you're using cured sausage, remember this one have a bit of salt. So caution with the salt at this moment, okay? For the Slap Your Mama, that one have a bit of salt, so I'm just using a tiny bit. Also the all-purpose season. You can go to town with your garlic powder, yes, and your onion powder. But the rest of season contain a lot of salt, so go easy on that one. So I'm just going to season this up, stir well, and allow it to thicken. Then I'll come back to show you the next step. So now I'm going to add my spaghetti to the sauce because it has become thickened and the taste was okay for me. So I'm just going to add this, stir well, and make sure everything is combined. But if you're watching to this far, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. And for me, I needed a bit more spice and color, so I'm just going to add some cayenne pepper and some sazon. The sazon going to give me a nice bright pretty orange color. Yes, I needed that because it was too white for me. So I'm just going to add that, stir well, and just let everything marinate together for a couple of minutes, and I'll come back at the end. And here you have it, guys, ready to serve. This tastes so delicious, guys. And as I mentioned, this will be ready for your family in no time. And I bet the entire family will enjoy it. If I had some fresh green parsley, I would chop and use to garnish. But I didn't have, so I sprinkled some of the dry one on top. And this is it, guys. So I hope that you did enjoy this one. And I hope that you did watch to the end. So now, guys, just like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.